On this example, you're going to find the equivalent expression. You have here a question and then you have some answers here. So what you need to do is you need to get your Desmos calculator, and we're going to start typing this expression here. After you finish typing the equation, as you can see, this exclamation mark. If you click on it, it will tell you what to do. It says try adding y equals to the beginning of the equation. So we go back over here and we type in y equals, and we have our expression graphed over here. So the next thing to do is we need to find the graph, the equation that matches, the expression that matches. So let's start typing A out first. So I finished typing answer choice A. As you can see, it gives me an exclamation. I just point over and it says try adding y equals to the beginning. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in y equals, and now it gives me a graph. As you can see, there are two different graphs here, so A is not the answer. So now let's go to B. So this one changes right here. So this one is a 2. And let's check if it matches. No, it's still two different graphs here. So let's delete this one and let's type C. So as you can see, I finished typing out C. I put y equals in the beginning, and I like to do this right here. See how it is a flashing graph? That means it is exactly the same graph. That's we're matching those two. So these two are equivalent to each other. So the answer in this one, it is C.